Do you want to discover the easiest way to make money on YouTube without showing your face using AI? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this free training video. Today, I'm revealing a powerful opportunity that allows you to earn big commissions through a simple and effective method without the hassle of traditional content creation. Who is this for, you ask? Perfect for anyone looking to make money online. YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers. People unhappy with their jobs, wanting financial freedom. Aspiring online entrepreneurs. Anyone looking for a side hustle. If you relate to any of the statements above, then keep watching. The secret I will be revealing later on in this video has been designed by expert YouTuber Matt Parr. Who is Matt Parr? I'm 23 years old. I run more than 12 faceless YouTube channels, 1 billion plus views, millions of subscribers, personal channel Make Money Matt, run a community with 10K plus YouTubers and entrepreneurs, make over 400K per month. Just a couple years ago, I was a broke high school student. I was depressed and didn't know what I wanted to do. But I knew I didn't want to go to college and work a 9-to-5 for the rest of my life. Then my life changed. I found out about faceless YouTube channels, put all my time into that. Within a year, I was making more money than all my friends. And in 2 years, I was making more money than my parents. This was great, but I had to be getting millions of views per month to do this. I had to put all my time and energy into this. I was completely dependent on the YouTube algorithm. If views go down, so does my income. So I began an experiment, started Make Money Matt, completely faceless screen recordings. Within 2 months, was making 27K per month. As much as my entertainment-focused channels with 1 million plus subs, I sold a $100 course. The big issue? It takes forever to make a course. You have to have skills. How do you make a lot from a small amount of views without being an influencer, showing your face, making a course? The solution? High payout partner products. Fast forward to today, I've made millions of dollars online, bought my dream house, traveled the world, have paid out over $1 million to partners doing the HPP method. Let's get into the secrets. Now I'm going to cover 3 secrets that will show you how to succeed on YouTube. Secret 1, the best way to make money online. Secret 2, how to find the best product to promote. Secret 3, how to get unlimited traffic to your link easily that will actually buy it. Secret 1, the best way to make money online. Earn passive income on YouTube without showing your face. Create simple review or tutorial videos, include affiliate links in the description, and earn commissions when viewers click and buy. It's an easy, low-effort way to make money while providing value. The secret is being in the right niche and selling something from your channel. Let's just do the math. YouTube, 100,000 views per month. 2% click equals 2K views. High payout partner product sales page. 1% buy equals 20 sales. 1K times 20 equals $20,000. 50% equals $10,000 per month. You're probably saying, that's great, but how do I find a good product? Secret 2, how to find the best products to promote. Learn how to earn big with your faceless YouTube channel. Learn how to find programs offering generous commissions, like those on ClickBank and Digistore24. How to choose products that fit your content. By the end, you'll be ready to start earning by promoting products your audience will trust and buy, all without showing your face. This only works in some niches. 1. Wealth. 2. Make money online. 3. Finance. 4. Health. 5. Happiness. 6. Relationships. 7. Technology. 8. Software. 9. Travel. Then find a product from Digistore24, ClickBank, Individual Software Affiliate Program. Product requirements: pay you at least $200, or lifetime recurring income. Digital product: best types of products, courses, membership sites, software. The power of recurring. Get 400 people paying $50 per month, get 50% of it. That's $10K per month for you. Recurring for life, as long as they stay subscribed. Secret 3, how to get unlimited traffic to your link easily that will actually buy it. The secret is having just one video do all the selling for you. Introducing the pillar video, 20 to 60 minute video following a specific script. Here's how to make it. How to make a pillar video. Follow the format of this live stream itself. I'll show you how you can get the script at the end of this. Make a presentation in Google Slides. I'll show how to get the slides template. Record your screen with OBS. Do a voiceover yourself or use 11 Labs or hire someone to do it for you. The HPP Blueprint. Feeder content. Long-form videos. Generate scripts with Tube Magic. Answer questions about the niche. Goal is to be specific to solve problems, not for views. Shorts. Link to long-form pillar video. Generate 1 month with vid.ai in a couple minutes. Always be scheduled months in advance. It all goes back to the pillar video. This has tons of benefits. Your videos are linked together. Your pillar video becomes an authority on the topic and easily ranks. YouTube loves session time, which this method prioritizes. It's super easy to grow fast. Imagine you just had one high payout partner channel making $3K per month. That's only potentially 6 sales per month. Now you know that making money online is within your control. Let's recap what we've learned. Secret 1, the best way to make money online. Secret 2, how to find the best products to promote. Secret 3, how to get unlimited traffic to your link easily. Now, would you rather try to figure all of this out yourself, spending months or even years learning through trial and error, or would you rather have someone who has already mastered this system guide you to success? If you want to shortcut your way to success, then keep watching because I've got something amazing to show you. If you said you'd rather have a mentor who can help you every step of the way, then I'd love to introduce you to Matt Parr's The High Payout Partner Program. This program will help you start earning affiliate commissions without the headache of creating videos or dealing with complicated marketing strategies. In fact, you could see results in just a few weeks, and it's designed to help you earn while you learn. The purpose of this program is to get you making regular income online in the next 90 days. Here's everything you'll get when you sign up for the High Payout Partner Program. Comprehensive video modules that guide you step by step through the entire affiliate marketing process. Exclusive niche research that shows you which markets are the most profitable. Access to a community of successful affiliates who are already achieving great results. Real-life case studies showing how others are making money so you can replicate their success. Special bonuses including additional training materials and tools to help you scale faster. All of this is valued at over $20,000, but today you can get access for a fraction of that price. Sections included in the course. Section 1, the HPP business model. Section 2, the best niche to choose. Section 3, the best product to promote. Section 4, channel setup. Section 5, pillar video, your one video. Section 6, feeder content. Section 7, secret to more money, bridge page. Section 8, using email to multiply revenue. Section 9, Instagram system. Section 10, paid ads. If you join the High Payout Partner Program today, you will also get access to these 8 fantastic bonuses. Free bonuses are not available anywhere else. Bonus number 1, the bonus to make more money. Ecosystem bonus, watch me do it, bonus module, much more. Value of $497. Bonus number 2, High Payout Partner step-by-step checklist with exact timeframes of how long each step should take. Value $297. Bonus number 3, list of best niches and products. Generate AI scripts, generate AI video ideas, optimize your videos with AI keyword research, much more. Value of $197. Bonus number 4, list of AI software and discounts. All the tools you need to do this. Value $197. Bonus number 5, script templates. To make script writing a breeze. Value $397. Bonus number 6, private community. We answer every question daily. You never know who you'll meet. Value $10,000. Bonus number 7, bonus courses. Courses for my top students, strategies working now. Value $497. Bonus number 8, exclusive bonuses not advertised. You'll see when you join the Tube AI system. Value $497. This course has a total value of at least $20,000 when you consider all the training, bonuses, and exclusive resources included. But if you join the High Payout Partner Program today, it won't be anywhere near that much. In fact, you can get started for just $997. Click the link below to join right now and secure your spot in the program. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take control of your financial future. 100% money back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, get your money back, no questions asked. The way I see it, this won't cost you anything, and this will be a completely risk-free investment in yourself. Now, is this investment worth it? Let's put it this way. What if you got just one successful affiliate sale using the methods in this program? Would that be worth it? Absolutely. And what if you could replicate that success and build a long-term income stream? This is your chance to invest in your future, risk-free, and start earning affiliate commissions with a proven system that works. All it takes is one winning pillar video. 100K views times $10 CPM equals $1,000. 0.04% by $497 equals $19,880. Results disclaimer. Not everyone who watches this free training is going to automatically become a millionaire, but this training is going to show the best ways that people are using it to get there. Q&A. Can I do this from anywhere in the world? Yes, the program is fully online, and you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Do I need special tech skills? Not at all. Matt's system is simple and beginner-friendly with everything you need to succeed. How long does it take to start seeing results? Many people see results within weeks, but it depends on how much time you put into the program. Is this sustainable if everyone starts doing it? Yes, the affiliate marketing space is huge, and with the right strategy, you can stand out and make consistent income. Student results. Carrie makes $10K per month completely from high payout partner products. Matthew made $100 his first upload. Click the link to join now